welcome back to part 2 of the bathroom renovation. And in this episode, we were able to get the insulation done and we were able to get the vapor barrier up. However, I did not videotape the vapor barrier, but as you can see behind me, it is up. So I just wanted to come and do the intro in the bathroom that has the stuff done for the video you're about to see. Welcome back again. If you're new here, my name is Heather from Heather Mary Ann, and I am a DIYer who just loves to do projects that I don't know how to do, but I learn as I go. So that's what we're doing with this bathroom renovation. So far, we have ripped out the tile surround. We have ripped out the old steel bathtub that was, I would say, rotting because of the hard water and the iron in the water, and it was causing it to like rust. So if you look on my channel, actually I will put the video below in the little description. I'll put the video link there. So I did a bathroom renovation. It was like renovate the bathroom for under $1,000, and I painted my bathtub in that video. And it was a great fix that was very temporary. And I have to say that I would advise against painting your bathtub. It covered up what I wanted it to cover up, but we were kind of afraid to use it. The paint started like peeling off, and we never really used the tub in this bathroom. We have 3 bathrooms in this house, and I mean, that sounds fancy. It's not. The bathroom in our bedroom also has to get redone. That's why we're doing this one, and we're adding a shower, and you can see here the shower head, and we have a slanted ceiling. So it's not like a shower where a tall person can stand up and have a shower, but it's a fix for us having a shower when we rip out the other bathroom, which is a disaster. Like, it looks like it could have come off of a crime movie. It's so gross because the hard water has stained the plastic membrane, I think you call it, that's in there. It's like one of those shower inserts, and it is just dingy. But stick around because there will be videos in that bathroom too. And I hope that bathroom doesn't scare the bejeebies out of you and makes you not want to ever come back, because you're gonna look at it and be like, ew, how did they shower in that? That's disgusting. And it is disgusting. Anyways, enough said. So in this bathroom, let's get back on track. So in this bathroom, we are adding a shower. We're gonna go today and we're gonna pick out tiles. We're going to cut out a little cubby in here for the shampoo bottles, and that's all gonna be on the next video. This is Juno. He's not supposed to be, you can't be on that, honey. You're gonna get itchy. So the stuff that he's climbing on is the foam board for like the water barrier. We like redheads in this house. Yes, we do. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna look for a tile today. So but anyways, I have a whole bunch of stuff to do. So this is my intro. I hope you enjoy the video. Bye. Mwah. I thought I'd pop on and do a little voiceover to explain what I'm doing here. So we have to move the tub out 6 inches, allowing for a little bit more clearance for the shower head. Because we have that slanted ceiling, we don't have a lot of room, but moving it out 6 inches will allow for a little bit more room in the headspace. And this will keep the plumbing in place for where it is, and it will be a little bit more cost effective. The plumbers will come in tomorrow and they're going to set the tub in. They're going to do all of the plumbing and remove the copper. So in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and get this wall built. Do you want me to grab those? Oh, you can't? Oh. Good job, babe.
Don't say it. I'm filming.
I know. Listen, we are professional DIYers. I think about go down and have myself a beer. I think I left my beer down at J and Roseanne.
So did I.
Don't you be showing them people up on YouTube making a nice clean line like that. As if. Fucking perfect. High five. We're rock stars. I think that's it.
About to leave, already packing.
So all we have left to do now is the insulation. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop that in, and that will be the end of this video. I hope you stay and come back for the bathroom renovation part 3. I am extremely excited to get this bathroom done, because once this bathroom gets done, we can move to the other bathroom, and then we can do the kitchen. But in the meantime, there's other little things that we have to do around the house. So please stick around. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Have a good day, guys.
With the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back. Eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for.